I like popcorn stitches, but sometimes I think they're just too big, am I right? So I created this pattern for mini popcorn stitches. And if you're interested in learning how to do that, it's quick and easy. Stay tuned. What we'll need for this project is yarn, and I'm using one of my favorite variegated yarns, so we don't need to change colors and still get a really good effect. This is Cinnamon Cedar from Hobby Lobby, and I'm using an eye crochet hook. This project requires a multiple of 6 stitches plus 2, so I have 26 stitches on my foundation row. Those are double crochets. Start row 2, I'll chain 1 and put a single crochet in the first stitch. In the second stitch, we'll put 4 single crochets. And then, just like with other popcorn stitches, we'll take out our loop, pick up the first single crochet of that section, and then the ending loop, and we're just going to pull through and then pull that kind of tight. Then we'll start single crocheting again in the next stitch. We'll do 5, put our next mini popcorn in the next stitch with 4 single crochets, pull the loop up a little bit, and then go back to the beginning of the 4 single crochets, insert your hook and insert into that last one and pull through and then tighten it down. Then we'll go into the next single crochet, put in 5 more single crochets. In the next stitch, we're going to do 4 single crochets, make a popcorn, and then continue like that to the end of the row. To finish this row, I put in 6 single crochets. The next row is row 3, and this will be an odd number row, and all the odd number rows are going to be the same. I'm just going to chain 1 and turn and put in a double crochet in each stitch across. Be sure you're counting so you don't get off. At the end of this row, I put 26 double crochets. Ready to start another popcorn row, so I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to stagger these popcorns so they're not on top of each other, so I'm just going to single crochet in the first stitch, and then 2, 3, and 4, and I'll put my next popcorn in the 5th stitch. Make a popcorn, pull it tight, and then continue the same way till you get to the end of the row. At the end of this row, put in 3 single crochets, and then continue the pattern. With every odd numbered row, double crochet across, and then repeat. Row 2, 3 is the double crochet. Row 4, you'll go over into the middle over there. Ta-da! All done. And you can see how pretty it is with those mini popcorn stitches. If you like that video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. I appreciate it.